Hi, my dears. How are you? I hope you are all fine. So, what have we discussed in the last class? We were discussing the chapter 5, Dictionary Skills. Isn't it? Do you remember that? Yes, okay. Very good. So, what is a dictionary? It is a giant book that contains the meanings of the words. You all remember? Okay. So dictionary is a book that gives us meanings of the words, and all the words are arranged in alphabetical order. So you all know that we have studied that in the last class. Now you all know how to check the meaning of words in a dictionary, isn't it? Yes, very good. So the words are arranged in order in the dictionary. So the words starting with the letter A will come first, then B with second, then C with third. Likewise, it goes on and on. Okay. And how will we find words starting with the same letter? How will we find it in alphabetical order? How will we do it? The words starting with same letter? Yes, very good. We will go to the second letter of the word. And if second letter is also the same, we will go to the third letter of the word. Likewise, it goes on and on. So, I hope this is clear for you. Now, we will move on to the continuation of the chapter, to the rest of the chapter. Okay. So, in dictionary, there are something that called guide words and entry words. What is it? Guide word and entry word. Okay. So what is a guide word? What is an entry word? So when we look at a dictionary for a meaning, in a page there will be given so many words, isn't it? In a page there will be given so many words. And all the words that are given in bold black letters, which the meanings are given, are called entry words. Okay? The words that are given and the words that we check the meaning for are entry words in a dictionary. Okay, the words that are given in bold black letters are called entry words in a dictionary. Okay, and what is a guide word? If we open a dictionary, there will be a word in the top left corner of the dictionary. So we know that a book has 2 pages, isn't it? When we open a dictionary, it has 2 pages, and the left page, the left side page, on the top there is a word, isn't it? So the top word is called a guide word, and on the right page, the next page, the bottom word, the word at the bottom is a guide word. Okay, is that clear for you? So if we go for a word column, we are going to find the meaning of the word column from a dictionary. The column is a entry word. Column is an entry word. Column is entry word. Okay. And when we open the dictionary to find out the meaning of column, on the left side, top left of the dictionary, there will be given colorable. Okay. So, on the top left of the dictionary, there will be given colorable. And on the right bottom part, the word is comfort. Okay. When we go to find the meaning of the word column, the column is an entry word, and in that page, the left top corner, there will be given the word colorable. That is a guide word, and on the right side, the bottom, there is given comfort. It is also a guide word. Is that clear for you? So I'll show you. When we open dictionary, the words are given like this. Isn't it? Like a book. So we want the word meaning of column. It is given somewhat here. Column. Okay, it is given somewhat here. All these words are given in bold black letters. In big bold black letters, all these words are given and their meanings are given there. So such words are called entry words. Okay. Now they will be given colorable in this page here and comfort here. Okay. So when we open the dictionary to find out the meaning of column, it is 2 pages, isn't it? It is 2 pages. And on the top left side, there is a word given. And the bottom side of the right page, there is a word given. These 2 words are called guide words. Okay. These words guide us to our entry word. Because all the words are arranged in alphabetical order, isn't it? So that we can find a word easily. We know that column, the spelling of column, when arranged in alphabetical order, it will come between these words. We know that, isn't it? We can think it. It is a common sense. So, these 2 words, the top left corner word and the bottom right corner words are called guide words. And all the words given inside, in between these words are called entry words. Okay, clear? Yes, very good. So we know that all the words are given in alphabetical order. So if we want a word starting with A to M, it will be somewhat in the first half of the dictionary, and N to Z, the word starting with N to Z will be given in the second half of the dictionary, because we know that when we write ABCD, the first half is A to M, ABCD up to letter M, and the second half is from letter N to Z. So it will be in that order in the dictionary. So if we want a word meaning of the word starting with A to M, it will be in the first half, and N to Z, it will be in the second half. Another thing we have to take care is when we check the meaning of a word in the dictionary, the root word will be given. The root word will be given. If you want the meaning of cheated, if you want the word meaning of cheated, you have to check the word cheat in the dictionary, the root word. Okay. If you want the meaning of jumping, you have to check jump, because it is the root word. Is that clear for you? Okay, I hope that is clear for you. So, when we use a dictionary, we have to understand that all the words are arranged in alphabetical order in the dictionary. Dictionary is a giant book with the meaning of words given in order, in alphabetical order. So, from A to M, the word starting with A to M, it will be given in the first half of the dictionary, and from N to Z, it will be given in the second half of the dictionary. So that it is arranged in alphabetical order, it is very easy for us to find the words. Okay, so that is clear for you. And when we check a word in a dictionary, a word meaning in a dictionary, all the words given in black bold letters are called entry words. And when we open a page, the top left corner word is called guide word, and the bottom right corner word is also called a guide word. So these 2 words, the word in the starting and the word in the end of a page is guide word. Those 2 words are called guide words, and all the words coming in between these guide words are called entry words. And when we check a word meaning in a dictionary, we have to check the root word like this, cheated. When we have to check the meaning of cheated, we have to check cheat. When we want to know the meaning of jumping, we have to check jump. Okay, is that clear for you? So, it's your duty to go and find meanings from a dictionary. Do it by yourself. There are given some words in page number 32. In your textbook, in your English textbook, some words are given in page number 32. You have to find the guide words of the words. You have to find the meaning of the words. You do it by yourself, okay? Okay. I will send the notes through WhatsApp. You have to study it, okay? If you have any doubts, you can contact me. So, I hope this is clear for you. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.